Imagine a world where a car could run on something as abundant as water. No gasoline, no emissions, just clean, simple power. Sounds impossible? Not for Elon Musk. Tesla has announced the release of a water-powered engine, a development that promises to revolutionize the way we think about sustainable energy. Tesla's history of groundbreaking technology, from electric vehicles to solar roofing, has set a high bar. But this announcement? It's pushing those boundaries even further. The idea of a water engine isn't just intriguing, it could be a turning point, not just for Tesla but for the entire transportation and energy industries. While competitors scramble to catch up with electric and hybrid vehicles, Tesla is already one step ahead, exploring how water, one of Earth's most basic resources, could be the next big thing. As with every Tesla innovation, this isn't just about profit or market share. It's about tackling some of the biggest challenges in the modern world: pollution, climate change, and dependence on finite resources. Musk's latest move has put Tesla back in the spotlight, and people are eagerly waiting to see just how transformative this new technology could be. Elon Musk has always been vocal about his vision: a world where technology supports and sustains the environment rather than depleting it. For years, Tesla has led the way in green tech, but with the water engine, Musk's vision has evolved. He's not just looking to change how cars run, he's looking to redefine energy as we know it. Traditional electric vehicles, though groundbreaking, still have limits. They rely on batteries, which need charging stations and involve complex supply chains. Tesla's water engine concept, however, offers something simpler and potentially more sustainable. Imagine a car powered by water, one of the most renewable resources we have, creating zero emissions and generating clean energy without a hitch. This is where Musk's ambition comes in. He wants to reduce the world's reliance on fossil fuels, not only by promoting electric vehicles, but by exploring other sustainable alternatives. The water engine isn't just a cool idea, it's a step toward an even greener, cleaner world, aligning with Musk's bigger goal of sustainable energy and minimal environmental impact. Musk's belief in pushing boundaries is on full display, and the world is ready to see if he can actually pull off what has been a dream for scientists and engineers for decades. So how does Tesla's water engine actually work? Let's break it down in simple terms. At its core, the concept uses water as a source of hydrogen, a powerful element that has long been considered an alternative fuel. By splitting water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen through a process called electrolysis, the engine can use hydrogen as fuel. This hydrogen can then be burned cleanly to produce energy, with water vapor as the only byproduct. Essentially, it's a cycle that uses water to power the engine while emitting nothing but clean water back into the atmosphere. While electrolysis has been known for decades, it has often been dismissed as too costly or inefficient. The real breakthrough here is how Tesla has managed to make this process efficient and compact enough to use in an everyday vehicle. This is no small feat. Converting water into usable fuel has been a challenge for scientists worldwide, but Tesla has combined advanced engineering with sustainable practices, making it possible to harness water's energy without compromising performance. Think about it, a car that refuels with water rather than gasoline or electricity. While there are technical details that Tesla is keeping under wraps, the potential is there. If this water engine becomes a reality, it could make refueling as simple as filling up with tap water, eliminating the need for charging stations or gas pumps. Tesla has taken an ambitious idea and pushed it into the realm of possibility, sparking excitement and curiosity about what comes next. As soon as Tesla made the announcement, reactions flooded in from every corner. Investors, competitors, environmental groups, and tech enthusiasts all have their eyes fixed on Musk and his new project. On social media, news outlets, and online forums, the buzz has been non-stop. Some are thrilled by the potential environmental benefits, while others are skeptical, wondering if this is another too-good-to-be-true innovation. But one thing is clear: This announcement has captured global attention. One of the most compelling aspects of Tesla's water engine is its potential to reduce our environmental footprint. Current car engines, whether gas or electric, have various environmental costs. Gasoline engines release greenhouse gases, while electric engines require batteries that involve extensive mining and resource extraction. But with a water engine, its impact on the environment could be dramatically lower, making it a true leap forward in sustainable technology. Because water engines produce only water vapor as a byproduct, they eliminate emissions at the source. Imagine the streets of our cities running clean and quiet without the pollutants that gasoline engines pump into the air daily. If widely adopted, this technology could contribute significantly to reducing urban pollution, potentially making our air cleaner and reducing the health risks associated with air pollution. Additionally, a water engine avoids many of the environmental challenges associated with electric vehicles. Battery production is resource-intensive, requiring materials like lithium and cobalt, which have environmental and ethical concerns tied to their mining and processing. By eliminating the need for large batteries, Tesla's water engine could reduce the industry's reliance on these finite resources, making cars not only more sustainable, but also less dependent on complex global supply chains. Tesla's vision for the water engine goes beyond just creating a greener vehicle. It's about contributing to a healthier planet. By addressing both the emissions problem and the challenges of battery production, Tesla is positioning this technology as the next step in sustainable transportation. And as more companies catch on, we could see a ripple effect, with the water engine setting a new standard in eco-friendly vehicle design. Tesla's water engine has left traditional automakers and even some newer electric vehicle players scrambling. For years, car manufacturers have been focused on either refining gasoline engines or switching to electric alternatives. Billions have been invested in hybrid technology, electric batteries, and sustainable fuel sources. But with Tesla's water engine, the entire field could be upended almost overnight. Think about it. Car companies that have spent years perfecting internal combustion engines or developing electric battery technologies are suddenly facing a completely new player that could make these technologies obsolete. If Tesla's water engine delivers on its promise, gasoline engines, already threatened by electric vehicles, could face an even faster decline. For companies heavily invested in traditional engines, this could mean rethinking everything from product design to supply chains. Meanwhile, electric vehicle makers are also feeling the heat. Companies like Ford, General Motors, and Volkswagen have placed big bets on EV technology, working to establish battery supply chains and build out charging networks. Tesla's water engine, however, doesn't rely on batteries in the same way, nor does it need an extensive charging infrastructure. This shift means competitors may have to quickly adapt or risk being left behind. As they grapple with the implications, it's clear that the water engine could force the entire auto industry to reconsider its approach to sustainable transportation.